Your iPhone has a number of options to be able to share your location with other people so that they can track you no matter where you're going. Now, if you intended to share your location, but you forgot to disable it, I'm going to show you exactly how to find that and how to turn it off, and also how to see if somebody is tracking your location without your knowledge. So let's jump right in. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, tap on your name at the top. Scroll down from here. The first thing you should check is all of the devices at the bottom of this list. If there's a device on here that you don't recognize or you don't own anymore, it could potentially be accessing your location or tracking information. So if you don't recognize something on here, like your Mac computer or an iPad or another Mac, you can hit Remove Account at the bottom. After we've done that, let's tap the back arrow, tap the back arrow again, and scroll down. Tap on Privacy and Safety, or Security rather. Tap on Location Services at the top, and check to see if anything on here is set to always. You can see that little arrow right next to any app indicates that it has recently used your location. If anything is set to always, it can always track you no matter what. To be able to change it, all you need to do is hop into that app and switch this to never, or just ask next time or when I share. Now tap the back arrow and then go to the top. Tap on Share My Location at the top, and here you'll be able to see if Find My iPhone is turned on. And if you scroll down from here, you'll be able to see various people that you share your current location with. If you don't want to be sharing your location with those people, you can always choose to disable it. To do that, just tap on their name, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Stop Sharing My Location. After you've done that, let's hop out of the Settings app and check to see if there's a tracker following you, essentially an AirTag that somebody might have put in your car or your purse or something like that. To do that, we're going to take your finger and swipe down and type in Find My and tap on the Find My app. From here, the people that show up, again, are people that have shared their location with you, or you have shared your location with them. However, we're going to tap on Items here at the bottom right, and you're going to check to see if an item pops up that it says it's detected near you or traveling with you. If you don't see anything on here, I would also recommend tapping on Identify Found Item, because this will search for a nearby item that you might not recognize. And if something pops up on here that you don't know about, it's important to find that AirTag or whatever item it is that could be tracking and to dispose of it. After you've done that, let's hop out of here and check one other place that you could be sharing your location. So take your finger and swipe down and type in Maps. Tap on Google Maps and then tap on your profile at the top right. Scroll down, tap on Location Sharing midway down, and you'll be able to see everybody that you're sharing your location with. If there's somebody on here that you are sharing your location with, but you would prefer not to, just tap on their name and tap on Stop Sharing My Location with that person. Essentially, this is within Google Maps instead of the Find My app. Essentially, two different services that could be sharing your location so other people could be tracking you. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.